Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with a flat, clean surface and your blazer buttoned. This stabilizes shape and prevents shifting. Lay the jacket face down and smooth it with your hands to align seams. Once done, fold each sleeve inward along the shoulder, seam so they lie flat over the back. This reduces bulk. Make sure to match shoulder points, because alignment preserves the blazer's silhouette when folded and helps avoid shoulder bumps during storage or travel. Next, fold one side of the jacket toward the center, keeping the lapel edges aligned. This prevents uneven creases. Then fold the opposite side to make a neat, long rectangle. Make sure the shoulder seams sit flat on top of one another. Once both sides meet, press gently along the folded edges to set them, and smooth from collar to hem to expel trapped air. This step shapes the blazer for a compact fold without stressing fabric or structure. Finish by folding the rectangle upward once or twice depending on luggage space. Fold in thirds for compact bags or half for garment bags. Tuck a thin tissue or soft pad into the shoulders if you see bulging. This maintains shape. If you notice stubborn creases after unfolding, steam lightly or hang the blazer for 24-48 hours to relax fibers. If anything goes wrong, unroll and realign seams. Then repeat the folding steps slowly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.